properly?
Yeah, I'm hearing you properly. I'm hearing you.
Okay. Hello, brother. My name is Manoj.
Yeah, too good. Nice to meet you, first of all. And uh,
Yes,
where from do you put off?
I'm from New Delhi, India.
New Delhi. Oh, yes, yeah, too good.
And
I'm
you?
from Agra in
Okay.
UP.
So tell me something about you, brother.
Yeah, I'm a Keshav. I'm from Agra, as well as I'm a YouTuber, as well as I'm a studying. Or to be honest, I'm a student. I'm working, and as um, I have done 12th class. I'm pursuing BA third year. I will complete my BA third year in this year. Then I will. My hobbies are making new friends. I'm playing football and volleyball. This is my hobbies. Something. This my. I'm little bit into this.
Okay, okay. I am also a YouTuber and I make mixed martial art related videos, MMA related videos.
Very super. Mm.
So there is a American company, UFC,
Mm-hmm.
and I make videos related to that company. They are
Mm.
like the biggest MMA organization.
Mm.
So I basically make videos related to UFC.
Mm. Excellent. Excellent.
Yes,
I
brother.
love your work. Really.
Thanks,
But
brother.
I'm to here working something too good, but I'm focusing on my study, education. I don't want to leave my study because if I leave study, nothing in my life. YouTube
Okay, so
separate platform, education separate platform. First of all, focus education, then YouTube grow automatic.
what do you want to do in your career?
I wanna be job. I wanna be get a job in abroad
Abroad.
and
So
regarding communication development,
okay, okay.
communication.
So in which stream you are? Are you in commerce?
Yeah. I'm a science bio, no,
Okay, okay.
but I'm
So
not interested in this. I'm
not
not
interested.
interested in. I'm not interested in this science biology. I'm only interested in English. I love teaching English, so I'm focusing. I know this subject, but this is school type subject. School I have left. Then
So you want to do something related to English, like make a career in like English, right?
yeah, absolutely.
So you can be like you can become a motivational speaker or something like that, maybe a lecturer or something that you can, do in
Maybe
English.
perhaps I'm working. It may happen. I'm working.
So then, will you complete your graduation with science stream, or will you leave it and then something you will do in English?
Yeah, English. I will complete my BA by English through English and Hindi
So
literature.
you are not doing anything now in science?
No, I'm not doing. Please don't ask any question about I tell about this. I'm not
Okay,
interested in this.
okay, okay. No problem. No problem, brother. No problem.
Mm.
So how long you've been learning English?
I've been learning speaking English for since 1 year, but I have
So
focused on only 5 months. Since 5 months, sorry, for 5 months only. I focused properly.
so in your family, is anyone also, want to learn English or someone that motivates you to learn English in your family?
To be honest, no one in my family, but my mom. My mom is superstar for me. Superb.
Okay.
Whatever I'm speaking, whatever I'm doing, 100% creator to my mom. My mom always
Okay.
motivates me.
Okay. Okay. Great, brother. Great.
Mm.
So I think you upload videos related to Cambly, like Cambly conversation in your YouTube channel.
Family
Yeah.
conversation and with the friends also, friends vocabularies.
So who told you about this Cambly app? Did someone
First of
suggested you?
I know COVID-19 and it told me
Okay.
start YouTube channel. To be
Okay.
honest, at that time I was sitting at home. I have left my job, and then I have a thought. I thought, to start YouTube channel because it's you have knowledge and expression knowledge. That time I didn't know how to speak English properly, but still
Okay.
I started. Then I I began to speak English. I kept speaking English with the foreigners, and then my my hesitation has been taken out from my heart. Then I am openly mind that time, you know. So I'm speaking. Then I thought you are speaking English. Then you start YouTube channel. Then upload videos. You will
Yes,
gain a huge subscriber. Then after that you will maybe earning something from YouTube
yes,
monetization.
you can earn.
Hmm.
When you complete like 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers, then your channel will get monetized.
But I am preparing only for job because YouTube is a this is social media can be destroy can be high position.
Yeah, yeah. It is
Hmm.
it is like a United States company and anything
You know,
can happen. Like TikTok got
yeah.
banned in China. Like
So
India
yeah,
banned.
you said I
So
think
lot of
YouTube will
TikTokers,
ban.
lot of TikTokers, their career was based on TikTok from India,
Hmm.
and now Indian government banned that app. Now they are like their career is destroyed.
Did you used to TikTok,
Me? No, 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 no. I only use YouTube.
PUBG?
Which one?
Did you used to PUBG?
PUBG. I played a little bit, but it is very time consuming. Like when you play one game, when you
Application unnecessarily. I don't like this kind of. I never used TikTok, PUBG, March. This new application is implement. I don't like it. I work on my professional type of life. I don't only best my time, even second.
very very great habit, brother. Because time is very precious, and like though these distractions like social media, Instagram, Twitter, they consume your lot of time.
But I use Instagram. Instagram use because so many people on Instagram. But I use I upload photos, videos regarding motivation, regarding meanings, vocabularies. Then I upload. Then it's a good for me. It's a
No,
little bit
it
not
is
best time. It's not best time.
it is good when you are using these applications for like something good. But if
Yeah,
you are using it for like entertainment purpose, then it is like you are wasting your time. If you are
right now.
spreading a knowledge or gaining knowledge from these applications, then it is best.
Mhm. Yeah, it's sad quote. Okay, I was thinking that time you messaged me. I messaged you. I want to I want a conversation with you, but I didn't
Just
connect you last day. You had a bug last day. I think you couldn't connect with me. Hmm.
it is like I was busy at that time, and in night I didn't really get to talk with someone. I work on YouTube, so I don't have free time.
Okay,
When I have free time, I try to connect to this group in
because
Skype.
we should conversation with anyone. We should get knowledge from another people. Then if you take a knowledge, if you get a lots of knowledge from another people, I don't know. I don't conversation. Only I talk to. I understand people's feelings.
Okay.
What what does he want? What does he want to in his life? Because somebody, so many people have working, but they to know what's your purpose, what's your interest. First of all, find interest, then working on interest.
Yes, yes. Because it is if we choose a job, we don't have an interest in it, then it will feel like a burden. Like
Yeah,
stress
yeah.
will stress will increase, and we
Hmm.
if we don't want to do that job, but we are just forcing ourselves to do it, it is very wrong. So we must follow
Yes.
our interest.
Hmm. I know three language. One Hindi, English, and British sound. And so I have a two channel, the Sagar Gold Star Motivation, Cambly Blocking. I'm handling two channel. So
Okay.
something forced on me. I have something lots of work. I don't know how to go outside. I don't know how will I go outside if I leave the YouTube channel. It's something because I don't. I engage myself. I don't talk to anyone. I don't time. I have to engage myself. I have I have provide my on me lots of work. Do this. Don't go outside. Nothing outside. Whatever have you have. Come finish this, then go outside. When your
Yes.
time 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or 1 hour, please if you talk to another, your mind will something wrong thinking. You will talk to with the girls, boys, new peoples. Yeah, I know, but whatever right now is social media. Social media is good for growing life.
Okay. Okay.